The following video contains language that may not be appropriate for younger or more sensitive viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave the shit that makes you think, what the hell is that crazy fuck thinking? Anyways, oh yeah, it feels good. Shake weight. I'm going to be microwaving this shake weight. Now, you've seen these things, you've heard all the jokes. You know they're essentially a masturbation device. I'm going to be sticking my shake weight into Joyce, the rival microwave. Let's open her up. Stick my shake weight inside of her, and oh, that's a nice fit. Oh, that feels good. Alright, I'm gonna put this baby in for 4 skin minutes and 69 seconds. Now let's get microwaving. Wow, that was surprisingly disappointing. That was, in fact, fucking stupid. Just kind of melted. Oh, my shake weight's definitely stuck inside of Joyce. Oh, in trouble getting my shake weight out. Should have used lube. I'm gonna be honest, the main reason I did this was so I could make gift jokes. Turns out the post-experiment might be more interesting than the experiment itself. It's like fucking stuck to the door. Oh, man. It's one of the downsides of having such a big shake weight. Now as to whether or not you should do something like this at home, fuck no. Look at all that smoke it made. It might have caught fire, but I couldn't see. All I saw was a bunch of goddamn smoke. Didn't do shit. I'm gonna say that the lesson that can be learned from this is don't stick your shake weight into strange women, or your cock could end up looking like this one. Okay, I managed to get my entire shake weight out, but looking in the microwave afterwards, it seems to have infected Joyce over here. I should have gotten my shake weight checked before doing that. Seriously, I've never seen a microwave experiment do this before.